Today I want to share with you a very delicious lemonade. It's a dragon fruit strawberry lemonade made at home. Perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. A pinch of salt, granulated sugar, strawberry extract, lemons, strawberries, 1 dragon fruit, water, and ice. This is everything we need to make this delicious and refreshing lemonade at home. So let's get started. I want to start first here with my saucepan making my simple syrup. It really doesn't take too long before you make your simple syrup at home. And you know something, you use less sugar when you make your simple syrup. I have the simple syrup cooking. It's getting nice and clouded. When it gets really clear just like that, that means that the simple syrup is done. I'm going to continue with my frozen strawberries. I have here frozen strawberries, 1 whole cup, and some lemons or limes. And now these lemons and limes are organic. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse them really good through running water. And it really doesn't take too long, but this is a very important step, making sure that you rinse them very good. When you add to your lemonade frozen strawberries, you know that the frozen strawberries are more sweet, more delicious. And now I have here my limes, and I'm gonna go ahead and just slice through the middle. And look at this, they have no seeds. They are small, but you know something, they have a lot of juice. And now I'm ready to get all the delicious juice out of my lemons. Look at this. My mouth is already watering, and I'm gonna continue doing the same with the rest of the slices of the lemon. I am completely done. I got about 1 cup of lemon juice. The lemon juice has the little pulp, but that's okay. I'm not gonna put it through a sifter. I'm gonna just add it just like that for vitamin C. I'm not gonna remove the pulp at all. The good thing about these lemons is that they have no seeds. So this is completely done. Let me continue with my strawberries. I have 1 whole cup of strawberries, and I'm gonna go ahead and add them to my blender cup. You know that this cup is the only one I use to make my lemonades. It's a NutriBullet cup. I'm gonna add enough water, and then I'm just gonna blend until it's nice and smooth, and it really doesn't take long. Okay, this is completely done. Now I'm ready to just add it through a sifter, making sure that I remove all the seeds of the strawberries. This is a very important step because you don't want to be drinking your lemonade with the seeds of the strawberries. And here I have the lemon juice, and I'm just gonna add it directly in here. I'm gonna add my simple syrup. Remember that the simple syrup is to taste. Don't forget to add your pinch of salt and your strawberry extract. I'm just adding just a little splash of the strawberry extract. That's gonna infuse and bring all those delicious strawberry flavors. And now I am already rinsing my dragon fruit, putting it through running water, making sure that I clean the edges really good. And let me show you how they look. Look at this. All the pulpins inside. This dragon fruit is very sweet. My mouth is watering. All that pulp, we're gonna go ahead and take it out. I'm gonna slice it like this. I'm gonna make little squares really tiny squares so that I could incorporate it to my strawberry lemonade. Look at this. Very easy to remove. It's really soft. You could really see all those little seeds. This fruit is just amazing. It has a lot of properties, a lot of antioxidants, and I'm gonna go ahead and add it to this plate. And of course, I'm not gonna leave anything behind. Look at this. This is an amazing fruit. Now I am ready to start and add all this delicious fruit into my lemonade. I have my pitcher here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just add enough ice. And of course, I'm gonna add ice, and I'm gonna add some of the pulp of the dragon fruit. And now I am ready to pour the strawberry lemonade. Look at this. This looks amazing, and it's gonna be perfect for this hot weather. I'm really going to enjoy it. I'll see you in a bit. With this delicious dragon fruit strawberry lemonade. You know something? It's perfect for this hot weather. I know that you guys are going to enjoy it like I enjoy it here with my family. But let me stop talking and let me enjoy this delicious lemonade, of course, made at home. The two combinations are just perfection. You know something? You need to give it a try. Make it at home. Enjoy it with your family like I enjoy it with my family. And it's perfect for this hot weather. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay refreshing myself with this delicious lemonade made at home with a lot of love. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon, my friends. Bye-bye.